Hey guys, let's take a quick look at Solana. Um, if you want to see some other coins and you want me to take a look at their chart, go ahead and request it in the DYOR stream chat channel. Um, so let's get started here. And I have the RSI open because I wanted to point out that right now we're reaching a point where it's oversold on the 4 hour. Um, so this I would expect it to come down a little bit before we came back up, but I do think we're gonna get like a chopping motion like this, right, where we come up, come back down, but overall we're working up, and we're gonna retest this middle. Now that we mentioned the middle here, if you recall, I had a post where I added these three white lines. And I said the bottom, of course, the bottom, the mid, and the high. And I said we were going to come back down and test this bottom. And we came close. We got to about 2682, and I set the line at 2605, just at this absolute bottom. And of course, it got bought up, as you can see by these two wicks. So like these skinny lines right here, it came down, testing the bottom, and it got bought up. So there was some interest, but again, it it needed to come back down. Like it wasn't done with the test, but that was a sign that there was buying pressure around here, and then this is another sign that there was buying pressure around here, and it's come back up now. The RSI says we might come back down, but I still think we're gonna come back up and test this mid. And once we do test this mid, we could come back down and go back up. We'll have to look at the RSI. We'll have to look at other indicators. But for now, I just wanted to follow up with my post about these three lines. I wanted to say that we did bounce off the bottom, and our next area of interest is going to be 38.60-ish, maybe 37.8. So if you were someone looking to either buy spot or make leverage trades, you could, look for an entrance between, 2650 and 27. Something like catch the bottom, something near this bottom. And then if you wanted to play it safe, you'd want to exit around the midway. If you were, you could take some profits there. I mean, there's a lot of strategy to leverage trading, of course. So you could enter at the bottom, and then you could, take profits here, and then leave a little bit in to hope that we get up to here. Um, again, you don't look into indicators for that, but you know, the broad forecast is this. We're sticking with these channels. Okay, you see, we came up here, we tested the mid range, we came back up, then we fell back down through it. Get back up this mid-range. So these lines are looking pretty vindicated. They look pretty good to me. Um, that's where we're at with it. I'll try to make more videos about leverage trading and about technical analysis. This is just a quick one to update everyone that, like I said, I look for an entrance in this lower zone here. I could even throw down another horizontal line here. Boom. Make it white as well. Well, we'll make it gray. No, it's the same color. Too dark. What am I thinking? We will just go with a white. Okay. So this would be like a little buy zone. We'll make it yellow, honestly. Nice little buy zone right there. Like to enter. And then I mean honestly, if you snipe this bottom on a low leverage trade, if you're using like 2x or 3x and you get in a good entry here at the bottom, and you could hold that for a while. If you got like if you really got a nice entry here with low leverage, therefore you're not getting hit with a lot of fees. I mean, and you held that. I mean, geez, you, you could catch it all the way back up to like 130, 140. You could ride it back up to 118. I mean, who knows? And of course, when we're talking about big shifts like that, it's almost an effect of like macroeconomics. Something like the war currently going on between Russia and Ukraine, like if there was some news about that, some update about that, that could cause the price action to just pump. And if you had a really nice entry here on a leverage trade, it would keep pumping. And you could like take profits, you could increase the leverage. Like once your liquidation price is like $14, $12, and then the Solana starts pumping up to like 60, 90. I mean, you can start getting more risky and start increasing your leverage to like 50x, right? And then all of a sudden, when it pumps from like whatever to the next level, like make really big gains. So this could be your anchor right here. If you were someone who likes to leverage trade, I'm saying, this would be the area I would be looking to set an anchor for a big swing trade. Or if you're just looking to do smaller gains, like I said, I would look for this entrance and I would try to exit around the middle. Yep. But I think overall, if you're someone who's looking to make moves and invest, this is not a bad place to be right here in the, you know, it's not, it's really not. I mean, there's a lot of opportunity that could come here and fuck it. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. Alright, I'm gonna try to wrap this up. I hope this video came out well.